Okay, baik. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, we are from group 9 and we will presenting about human resource shouldn't be allowed to ask question about an applicant marital status, religion, age, medical history, or immigration status. In this group, we have Cahya Dika Prastio, Hazel Pandora Ermiar, and then Muhammad Fajri Fatih Wafa. In the world of recruitment, questions asked by human resource to potential employees often come under scrutiny, especially when it comes to sensitive issues such as marital status, religion, ex-medical history, or immigration status. Not only can this question be considered an invasion of privacy, but they can also lead to discrimination. This presentation will discuss why HR should not ask this question. So for the next slide, we will provide by my friends. Time is yours.
Okay, so the reason to avoid sensitive question is the number one is discrimination and unfairness. Questions about marital status, religion, age, or medical history can create bias in the selection process. For example, there is an assumption that employees who are married or have children will be less focused on work due to family responsibilities. This is not only unfair, but also violates the principle of equality in employment opportunities. So next. And the second one is privacy and individual rights. So every individual has a right to privacy. Asking for personal information such as marital status or medical history may be considered as violation of the candidate's right to privacy. Such information should only be disclosed if it's relevant to the job. And the third one is focus on qualification and capabilities. The recruitment process should focus on candidates' qualification and abilities to do the job on offer. Question relating to personal life do not that not give an accurate pictures of a person professionality's abilities. Therefore, HR should avoid questions that are not relevant to the job. There's also a negative impact of sensitive questions. So the first one is non-inclusive work environment. Sensitive question can create a non-inclusive work environment and make candidates feel uncomfortable. This can reduce the interest of qualified candidates to join the company. And the second one is a legal risk. Asking questions that are considered discriminatory may pose a legal risk to the company. Many countries have laws that prohibit discrimination in the recruitment process based on personal status, such as age or religion.
Number 3, impact on company image. A bad interview experience can damage a company's image in the eyes of other potential employees. Candidates who experience a negative interview are likely to share their experience on social media or review sites, which can hurt the company reputation and attract quality candidates. Number 4, decreased interest from qualified candidates. If the interview process is perceived as unprofessional or discriminatory, qualified candidates may stay away from the company. They prefer to apply to workplaces that demonstrate inclusive and fair value. Next. Number 5, increase recruitment time. The recruitment process can take longer if many qualified candidates avoid the company due to a poor interview experience. This reduces the number of applicants willing to proceed to the next stage in the selection process. More appropriate alternative question. When conducting interview, it's crucial to ask questions that provide insight into a candidate's abilities, motivation, and aim for the company without infringing on their privacy or creating discomfort. HR can use alternative questions that are more natural and still get relevant information without violating any candidate's privacy. Some example of alternative questions are like, what are your long-term career goals? How do you manage your time between work and personal life? And are you willing to work overtime if needed?
And for the conclusion, asking about marital status, religion, age, medical history, or immigration status in the recruitment process is not only unethical, but also potentially detrimental to the company itself. By focusing on candidates' qualification and ability and using more relevant questions, HR can create a more inclusive and fireworks environment for all potential employees. Okay, I think that's all for our group. So thank you so much and have a nice day. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.